Man should be educated, understand the absolute truth. Therefore, in the human society, there is school, colleges, universities, philosophers, scientists, mathematicians, because human life is meant for knowledge. The animal life, they are not required to take education. They are simply busy with the business, how to eat, how to sleep, how to mate, and how to depend. That's all. The two words are there in the Vedic literature. One is Brahmana and one is Krpana. Krpana means miser and Brahmana means liberal, broad mind. Brahma jnanati iti Brahman. One who knows the Supreme, the absolute truth, he is Brahman. And one who does not know, that is animal. This is the difference between animal and man. So, my request to you all, those who are present here, try to understand the philosophy. You are all educated, grown-up, boys and girls, gentlemen, ladies. We have got books, immense literature, big voluminous books. If you want to understand this philosophy through books, we are not in scarcity. We can supply you volumes of books. These books are, some of them are demonstrated. But if you do not like to take so much trouble to read over the books, then simply come and chant and dance and take prasādam, go home happily. Thank you.